Hello beautiful people, my name is Nora G and welcome back to my new. So, if you're new to my channel, I love you already. Just remember to hit that subscribe button and also turn the notification bell so you do not miss a thing and join my new Retro family. For my returning subscribers, you know I got mad love for you all. Yeah, that's right. So today I will be showing you how to make expensive looking dessert stands like this one without breaking the bank, using only items from the dollar store and thrift stores. It is so cheap and easy to do. You'll be amazed. So let's get right into it. Welcome back to my channel. So the items I used in this video were picked up from our local thrift store called Talize. So the total cost of all main items was $14.12 plus tax. That was $15.95. Guys, all you would need would be some simple cheap glass trays from whichever thrift store, E6000 glue, some embellishments, and some positivity. Let's get started. Wash and dry items before applying any glue. In this video, I will be making a double-tiered cupcake stand, a cake stand, and 3 candy holders. In case you're wondering if you could use a glue gun instead of E6000. A glue gun is definitely more versatile in its craftability, if that is a word, but when it comes to pure adhesive strength, I'm going to stick with E6000 for now. Pun intended. It is stronger and more reliable in overall performance than hot glue. E6000 has exceptional adhesive to wood, metal, glass, fiberglass, ceramics, and concrete. It also adheres strongly to leather, rubber, vinyl, and many plastics. E60 dries clear. That's one thing I like about it compared to glue gun. And once it is cured, it is waterproof, washer and dryer safe. So why would you not want to use this? And yes, you can use it for your shoes. My shoe menders, I know you're thinking it. Now that we are done applying the glue to all of our items, set aside and let it dry for about 24 to 48 hours. It takes 24 to 72 hours actually for the E6000 glue to bind effectively. I'll be using this lid from a decanter we had in the house that got broken as a topper for my double-tier cupcake stand. So, the dessert stand is actually ready for use as you can see, but I personally like a little detail. So I will be adding some embellishments from the dollar store. I will be applying this to the edges or rims of each piece. And these actually already have some gum to it, but I will be adding the glue just so it adheres perfectly. This adds some extra flair and finesse to each item. It is actually pretty good because you end up having a unique piece of item that is not easy to find. In fact, I don't think you'll find anyone with something that you made yourself. If you do, probably similar but not the same. You get? Okay guys, our dessert stand is ready for use. Just look at that. Details make all the difference. These look so expensive guys. My camera isn't doing this any justice at all. It looks super expensive. The gold ornaments on the earrings really make them look so exotic. And that is how you spruce up regular looking thrift store glasswares into bougie looking dessert stands. And just in case you're looking at these desserts and wondering, don't worry about it. We're celebrating you all, our lovely subscribers, so these calories do not count. You can use this to serve fruits, desserts, sweets, for weddings, birthday parties, baby showers, bridal showers, and for simple home events. Just have fun with it. And this sums it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed every beat of this. Stay safe and stay strong. Thank you so much again for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to smash that like button, as well as hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Just keep it. No.